Good morning students, welcome to Hindi class. Today I am going to explain you about महीनों के नाम, ऋतुओं के नाम. Okay, महीनों के नाम, ऋतुओं के नाम. This we have as lesson of 15th. I'll show you later. First see, I prepared one activity. The same you have to prepare for 5 marks for coming exam. Okay. This activity will give you 5 marks. Okay, so listen carefully. Varsh. In the middle you can see one small circle. On this I wrote Varsh. Varsh means year. Varsh means year. Varsha means rain. See, one matra you add extra means the meaning will become change. So you should write Varsh. Varsh means year. In a year, how many seasons will be? 6 seasons. And how many months will be? 12 months. Okay, we'll learn about this all. Varsh, year. In a year, months will be 12, as you know. Okay, in Hindi we'll see now months. Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshtha, आषाढ़, श्रावण, भाद्रपद, आश्विन, कार्तिक, अग्रहायण, पौष, माघ, फाल्गुन, फाल्गुन मास. Okay, these are all Hindi months. And Hindi seasons we'll see. Seasons 6 will be there. Vasant, ग्रीष्म, वर्षा, शरद, हेमंत, शिशिर. These all seasons in Hindi. We'll see in English also. First, Vasant Ritu. Vasant Ritu is called a king of seasons. Vasant Ritu is called king of seasons. Okay. Why it is called king of seasons? Because at that time every animal means every living being feels happy, and health problems also will not be much more at that time. बच्चे से बूढ़े तक means a small child to an old man, and animals and the nature also will be very pleasant to see. Happy days all those. Vasant means spring season. Vasant means in English spring. At the time of spring season, the climate will be beautiful and persons also will be healthy, happy. So that Vasanta Ritu is called king of seasons. So Vasanta Ritu, at what time it comes? In the month of March and April it comes. In the month of March and April it comes. Vasanta Ritu, king of seasons. In English we say spring season. March we call as Chaitra. March we call as Chaitra Masa, Vaishakha Masa. April month is called Vaishakha Masa. Okay? Vasanta Ritu in the month of March and April we can see, that is called spring season. In Hindi, Chaitra Masa, Vaishakha Masa. March, April we say Chaitra Masa. In March we say Chaitra. April month we call as Vaishakha Masa. Clear? Now we'll go to next. Grishma Ritu. Second season is Grishma Ritu. That comes under May and June months. Grishma Ritu, May month and June month it will be. Every Ritu has two months. Okay. Grishma Ritu we call as summer. We call as summer in English. In Hindi, May Jyeshtha Masa, June Ashadha Masa. Next, in a year, third season, Varsha. Varsha Ritu. July, August. July month and August month we can see rainy season. In English we say monsoon. Okay, that in Hindi we call July month as Shravana Masa, August month as Bhadrapada Masa. Okay, coming to fourth season, Sharad. Sharad Rutu, in the month of September and October we can see. That is called in English autumn season. In English we say Sharad Rutu as autumn season. That we can see in Ashwin Masa and Kartika Masa. Autumn season we can see in Ashwin Masa and Kartika Masa. Coming to next, Hemanta Rutu. Hemanta Rutu we can see in November and December. November and December. Hemant Rutu we call in English as pre-winter. November, December months are called in English, in Hindi, Agrahayana Paush. Pushya Masamu we can say in Telugu, right? Agrahayana Paush. Coming to next, last season, Sisira Rutu. Last season, Sisira Rutu. Autumn season, Sisira Rutu comes under January and February month. In the month of January and February we can see Sisira Rutu. Sisira Rutu means winter in English. Winter in English. Winter in English. Okay. Now we are going to enter into this season. Which season? Sisira Rutu. Winter. Means in these months we can see more. Now also we are under winter only, pre-winter. This is called pre-winter. Next coming winter season. Pre-winter, Hemanta Rutu. We are under Hemanta Rutu now. We are going to enter into Sisira Rutu. Winter season, January, February. In Hindi we say Magha Masa, Phalguna Masa. Clear? This chart you can prepare on your own also by adding some more your wish. Otherwise prepare like this same as it is. I prepared like this. Means it looks like a puzzle also. If you change all those different seasons and all, you can rearrange all those. Means like that you can learn months names and seasons names in Hindi and English. Okay, this is your activity also. Learn this all. You have lesson in your textbook. I'll say now. Yes, here 15th lesson. You have lesson. In lesson 15 you have अंक, दिन, महीने और ऋतुओं के नाम. अंक, दिन, महीने और ऋतुओं के नाम. अंक means numbers. Numbers already we have learned. Okay, दिन, महीने और ऋतुओं के नाम. दिन means days. Days we'll see now. महीने और ऋतु just I have explained now. Okay. In here you can see number or अंक. Number 1, 2, 3 normal numbers they gave. Ank in Hindi they gave numbers. In Hindi 1, 2, 3. How to write in Hindi? Clear? These you practice by seeing here. Okay? Next, coming to next page 69. Here also same you have exercises. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 we have explained, right? We already learned all this. So the same you copy here. Okay. Here in the next page also you can see numbers only. Till 20 you have to copy. Okay. Here about the same. अंकों के नाम अंकों में लिखिए. Words they gave in numbers you have to write. Numbers they gave in words you have to write. Learn thoroughly and write here this exercise. Next, coming to matching. You have to match this word to the number. Okay. As you have learned, so you can easily, if you learn thoroughly, you can easily match this. Here comes दिनों के नाम. Day in English Din in Hindi, and here that is unnecessary. We'll see date and day. Sorry, day and din. Monday, we say in Hindi Somvar. Tuesday, Mangalvar. Wednesday, Budhavar. Thursday, Guruvar or Bruhaspativar. Friday, Shukravar. Sunday, Shanivar. Saturday, Shanivar. Sunday, Ravivar or Itvar. Here we can see just now in the project we have seen, right? महीनों के नाम चैत्र, वैशाख, ज्येष्ठ, आषाढ़, श्रावण, भाद्रपद, आश्विन, कार्तिक, अग्रहायण, Paush, Magh, Phalgun. The other side they gave simply in English. Those are no need to learn. Okay, no need to write. These all anyway you will write as project. No, you can fix all those in your book or you can prepare separately. Better you fix in your book. Okay, and post it to me. Next here seasons are there. Here seasons. See here. Grishma Rutu, summer. Varsha Rutu, monsoon. Sharad Rutu, autumn. Hemant Rutu, pre-winter. Sisira Rutu, winter. Vasanta Rutu, spring season. So all this you have to learn, okay? And you prepare project as I did. Make a project like this, okay? I'll send pic also for this, of this picture I'll send. You can paste in the notes itself by preparing like this, okay? Thank you.